Okay, here is the Finder tag. How to program a Finder tag firmware. So here is this. Here is the CC debugger. If I press the button, the light will go out and then turn green. And I have, this is one of the TI key fobs. I've got the connector hooked up to the connector that says debug. And you see how it is hooked up. And here is the programmer, TI Flash programmer. And as you can see, I have this program here, which is the findertag.hex, and this one is for 2540. And I know I sent the TI key fob I sent you. I don't know whether it's a 2540 or a 2541, but at any rate, you'll have to use whichever one is appropriate. Then I have it just erase and program. It's not necessary to verify. Sometimes you have to take this off if it had a glitch, but usually you don't need that. And then you just press programming flash, and if it does this part where it goes across the screen like that, it says erase and program OK, then you should be able to turn on the Finder tag app on your iPhone, like this one, and I press clear. It's already there. I connected to it earlier, but you have to wait a few seconds, actually 5.2 seconds minimum, and there it is. Oh, it connected to it automatically. So, because I'd already connected to it once. So if you disconnect, okay. So now, if I wanted to, now that I'm disconnected from it, if I wanted to come over to the TI multi-tool, the Finder tag app won't discover some tags because it's scanning for tags with the specific service that is advertised. The TI multi-tool scans for any tag. So, and keep in mind that if you have somebody connecting to the tag can only connect to one app at a time. So if you have 3 iPhones and you connect to one and then you come back later and the other ones won't connect, you can't figure out why. Well, you have to go disconnect from that other one. But as you can see, this one did connect, did discover. I haven't connected yet. Now I can try and it's not advertising. This, I haven't experimented trying to connect with the multi-tool. It may not be able to because it's the advertising frequency on our firmware is very slow. But what I can do is come over here, and instead of using the Finder tag, I can come up to Simple BLE Broadcaster and get the hex file for that. And I believe I sent that one to you. If not, you can get it from the TI website, but I believe you have to create an account with them. I'm sure that you can do that easily. And then, now that I have that TI BLE Broadcaster, I can do the same thing, and that is just to program it, and it's still connected. And then this one, it has an LED there that will light up as it's broadcasting. And if I hit clear all, as you can see, there it is. It won't connect. That's firmware doesn't allow for connection. And then if you're interested in going back to the Finder tag, and you say, well, how come it's not discovering it now? It's because it's not advertising with this firmware the services that we're scanning for, so it won't ever see this. So you'll never you can't use a simple BLE broadcaster firmware with the Finder Tag app. That won't work. Now you can use the multi-tool though, and that, like I said, that scans for everything. And that's all there is to it.